Hey, I'm Chip Gardner.
And I'm Herbert Dubuisson. We're with Ladder and Blum.
We're here on South Roadway Street, boathouse number 23.
Let's go take a look.
This property is located on the south side of West End Park, on the Orleans Marina. West End Park is a beautiful oak-lined 14-acre park in the heart of the New Orleans Marina District, which provides a true nautical and waterfront green space surrounded by quaint boathouses and the site of picnics, crawfish boils, and other recreational activities. This inner harbor boathouse includes an 800 square foot metal structure with a large storage shed and a boat slip. While some of the decking has been repaired, it is waiting for the new owner to make it his or her own. If you are an avid boater looking for a slip, this provides a convenient location. Orleans Marina is a sheltered harbor. It's a convenient location for boating enthusiasts with a very short ride to the big water of Lake Pontchartrain.
Thank you for viewing 248 South Roadway Street in New Orleans with us today. If you'd like more information on this boathouse or you'd like to see it, just give us a call.